Hello. In this video, we want to look at an application. The wagon wheel shown in the figure below has a diameter of 28 inches and an angle of 30 degrees between the spokes. What is the length of the arc S to the nearest hundredth of an inch between two adjacent spokes? Now, we're told a couple of things here. First of all, we're told that the diameter here is 28 inches. That means that we need to know the radius. So if we know the radius, all we have to do, or to figure out the radius, all we have to do is take that 28 and divide by 2 because the diameter is twice the radius. That means that the radius is 14 inches. So in this case, r equals 14 and alpha equals 30 degrees. But remember, we don't want 30 degrees. We want this in terms of radians. So we're going to take that 30 degrees and multiply by something. Well, if the degrees are in the numerator, the degrees need to be in the denominator there, and put the pi in the numerator. So 30 divided by 180 is, well, they're both divisible by 30. So you're left with a 1 there and a 6 there. So 30 degrees is pi over 6. And that's very important. It's very important that we round this to the nearest, or excuse me, it's very important that we convert this to the radian, because the formula that we're going to use here, S equals alpha R, is in radians. Alrighty, so to figure out S, just plug in alpha and R now. So S equals alpha of pi over 6 times R of 14 inches. And then, of course, just type that into the calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pi over 6, enter, times 14, enter. And that gives me 7.330382.858. Awesome, I actually wrote that down decently well, without actually looking at it. Anyway, we need to round this to the nearest hundredth. So to round this to the nearest hundredth, notice that that's right there. So S would be 7.33 inches. So the arc length at the edge of this wheel is 7.33 inches between each of the spokes. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.